Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pump in your Graco GX21 and GXFF. So for the next bit I'll be switching to a different camera so you can really see what's going on. So as I said, we're going to be replacing the pump on this Graco GX21. We're going to need to use the kit 24Y472, which is just the ProXChange pump kit, and it's really easy to change. But one thing I would do before changing your pump, if your pump's simply not working, just double check that this ball bearing is free, because you may not need a replacement pump. If you are clicking this button down here and nothing seems to be happening and it's still not working, one thing you can check is whip this hose off, like that. Grab a spanner, undo that, so now you're just undoing this and should show you the ball. So if we just want to make sure that this ball itself is nice and clean, and the seat that it sits on is also nice and clean and not got loads of paint on it, so that that can seal properly. So we just chuck that back in. So if that is clear and we still need to, the pump's still not working, we still need to replace the pump, this is how we do it. Hose back on. So first of all, we've got a little lever here that we can lift up. That comes straight off. Then we've got two little tabs, which you can see here. Spin around, you can see it better. So you lift those, thumbs in there, and just push it away from you. Lift it up, pull the pump out, and there it is, straight out. So the bit we're actually wanting to replace is this bit here, and we're going to replace it with this kit. So you can see, fits straight in there. So you don't actually need any tools to do this. Graco fitted them for us, so they are right there. You put a pump in, line that up, crack it off. There we are. Pump's going to wind its way out. Unscrew that. Okay. Don't lose that. Okay, so there you can see the pump cartridge that we're actually going to be replacing. We've set our pumps up, the new pump about the same height as the old one, so you literally do that just by sliding this to wherever it needs to be. This is just the cartridge with all the seals in it. So we'll slide that to about there or so. Grab our manifold, wind the new pump in, making sure that I've just done it. Making sure that that spring washer stays where we want it, like that. Winding that in, making sure we get it nice and tight. Okay, tight as we can get it by hand. Back into the machine. Winding it up. Okay, so that's tight there, just a little nip. Okay. So what we've got to do is we've got to line these holes up here with these pins here and get this cap here to fit just on the other side of this plastic piece here. So if it doesn't line up straight away, okay, so we just got to slide that out just a little bit more. Slot it in. There we are, straight in. Black cap back down till it clicks. Slide it back. This replacement cap here in place. Slap it down. Connect this hose back up, and we're done. So that is how to replace a ProXChange pump kit on your Graco GX21. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give the video a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. I hope I've answered all your questions, but if you do have any more, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.